Look at all this space. Well, this is how it looks with all the 6 seats inside. This is the Tesla Model X Plaid, and the Plaid version only comes as a 6-seater. And because I love to go on road trips and actually sleep inside, it's not possible here because the second row, you cannot fold them down. So we're gonna remove them. This is the video that I wish would have existed before I built them out the first time, because it's really not that hard. Well, first of all, I need to warn you, I'm not sure how it works with the warranty, whether or not you lose warranty if you build out a seat. However, I've done it before, I've done it many times before, and I had no issues. So to remove those trims, I have ordered some tools off Amazon. I'm sure you could do it with a screwdriver as well, but since I don't want to scratch anything here, this is a better option. And now I can already remove the floor panels here. Somewhere over here are clips and here as well. Yeah, but other than that, they're quite easy to remove. So this is floor panel number 1. And we're also gonna remove the second one. For that, gonna move forward the captain chairs. This looks very cool, right? You can already see the cable that we're gonna plug out afterwards. But first of all, we're gonna remove the second floor panel. So we have 2 clips here, you can hear them. So since we have the seats moved forward already, we can start unscrew them. For that, I'm using like a screwdriver with this thing here. So basically you need to look out for all the screws that are green inside. I think there are around 10, I'm not even sure, but sometimes they are in really awkward places. You can see another one here, and then over here are more, but we're gonna move the seat forward for that. To be able to reach the screws in the front, we actually need to remove this plate right here. And this is just glued on here. And then here we got other screws. So when I did this the first time, I just had the wrong approach. Like I removed those covers as well, and I was kind of trying to remove those screws and put the seat away, but leave in the tracks. But that doesn't work because the tracks, they are connected to the chair itself. So I figured that it's easier to remove this whole thing. Because if you know how, it's really a fast thing to do that. And also if you have this kind of video, it's so much easier. So don't forget to like this video, or also subscribe if you want to see more Tesla content. Oh yeah, pro tip, the screws that you have removed, leave them in here so you don't lose them. So I'm removing the remaining screws here. And because they have some awkward positions, here's another one, but I have already removed that. But this thing, boop, 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 this is very useful for that. All right, I think that's it. Yeah, so it seems like it's loose. And now, very important, before you pull the plug here, we're gonna adjust the seat to the right position. So afterwards, when it's removed, it doesn't fall over. Basically, what I'm gonna do is I move it forward a little bit, like just like this, before it tilts forward. So now we have it in the right position, and now we can pull the plug. Ooh, I forgot a very important thing. The issue is, as soon as you pulled the plug, you cannot fold down the third row. That's really unfortunate, because it would be so cool if you can move the seats up and down, even though the second row is removed, but that doesn't work anymore. So therefore, because I want to sleep inside, I'm gonna put down both of the seats now. Like this. So now we need to pluck those out. And basically, you can remove that here. And when I did it for the first time, I tried to plug out just one to see which one it is, but we need to plug out all of them, otherwise we cannot remove the seat. So I would suggest to start with the yellow one, then the gray one, and in the end the black one, the biggest one. And this is a bit awkward because you need something like a screwdriver here to go in here. And then there's this clip that you have to push, and then you can pull it out. 1, 2, yeah. So it's plugged out, and now, as you can see, nothing works here anymore, and also this one is dead. However, because the other side is still plugged in, so here we got it still plugged in, this one still works, and also this one. You can still fold this one up. So what I found, and what's very useful, because I often leave one seat inside, because if you just remove one side, you can still sleep inside, kind of like diagonally. I even slept with my girlfriend in here with just one seat removed. What I actually wanted to say is that if you still have one seat inside, you could then plug out the black one here. So, I mean, you need to take that out, remove the black one, and take that cable and plug it in here. So that just works out diagonally here. You probably need to move the seat forward, because then the cable is here and it reaches over here. And if you plug it in, it works. It's funny because you can just plug in this seat over here, and then the car thinks that this seat is in here, and then you can move that one up as well. But in this video, we're actually going to remove both of the seats, and if you have both of the seats removed, you cannot fold this up anymore, unfortunately. If anyone knows about something that you could do about this, like a dummy plug or something, let me know in the comments. So let me show you the error message that we get. So this is literally the only message that we get. It always stays there. That can be a bit annoying, but other than that, it's really no problem. And I've seen some blog posts of people saying that as soon as you have removed the seats, it's not possible to do a software update anymore. But I can tell you that that's not the case. I've done many software updates with the seats removed. So I need to warn you, those seats are super heavy. So it's the best if you do it with another person, but I have no one else here, so I gotta do it myself. A little trick though is to put in the seat belt, because now you can actually hold it here. Here we go, and this is how you remove the second row. So I'm quickly gonna do this side as well. So, wow, look at this. So this is actually crazy. So one more thing that we need to do now before putting back in the plates. So I made those wooden things. They are here to support the plates that come in here, because obviously we have the support here, but back here we don't have anything. So if you step on here, yeah, it's bad. So this is how it looks, and I just made sure that they are the same height as those ones, so it's even, like this. Then have a piece of carpet to make it look nice as well. And now we can put them back in. Oh, that looks so nice. Of course, we have the trims here as well. And as you can see, there's so much room now. For sleeping, I have this little table here that I put here, and then I have the mattress that goes all the way up there. And you can comfortably sleep inside. I've been traveling to Spain like this. I've been traveling all the way to Scandinavia. Now you know how it's done. I still have to mention again, I'm not sure how this works with the warranty, but if you want to remove a seat, this is the video for you. Have fun on your adventures. I'll see you next time.